Timmy and the Windy Day. In a cheerful little town, there lived a boy named Timmy who loved to fly kites. Every Saturday, he would rush to the park with his colorful kites, eager to watch them soar high in the sky. Timmy had a special talent for making kites, each one more beautiful than the last. One bright Saturday, Timmy woke up with excitement, knowing it was a perfect day for flying kites. He quickly got dressed, grabbed his favorite kite, a vibrant red dragon with golden wings, and headed to the park. As Timmy arrived, he noticed the wind was blowing fiercely, making the trees sway. "This will be a great day for flying," he exclaimed, feeling the breeze on his face. He ran to the open field, launching his kite into the air. The dragon danced and swooped, soaring higher and higher. Timmy laughed joyfully, feeling like he was flying along with it. But suddenly, the wind grew even stronger, and Timmy struggled to keep hold of the string. "Whoa, come back!" he shouted as the kite tugged wildly, trying to escape his grip. Just then, a kind old man named Mr. Whiskers approached, noticing Timmy's predicament. "Ah, the wind can be a tricky friend, can't it?" he said with a chuckle. Timmy nodded, feeling frustrated. "I just want to fly my kite, but it keeps pulling me," he exclaimed. "Sometimes we must work with the wind rather than against it," Mr. Whiskers advised. "Try to let it guide you instead." Taking a deep breath, Timmy focused on the rhythm of the wind. He loosened his grip slightly and allowed the kite to dance with the breeze. To his amazement, the kite began to glide effortlessly, soaring even higher. "Look, Timmy! You're doing it!" Mr. Whiskers cheered. "Let it flow, and you'll see how beautiful it can be." With newfound confidence, Timmy danced along with the kite, feeling a sense of freedom. As he watched the dragon twist and turn in the sky, he realized that sometimes the best adventures come from embracing the unexpected. After a while, the wind began to calm, and Timmy brought his kite down gently. "Thank you, Mr. Whiskers. That was amazing," he said, beaming with happiness. "You did well, my boy. Always remember, life is a bit like flying a kite. Sometimes you need to trust the winds and let them take you where you need to go." Timmy smiled, feeling inspired. He spent the rest of the day flying kites with his friends, sharing laughter and joy in the open field. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the park, Timmy realized that with every gust of wind, there was a new adventure waiting for him. That night, as Timmy lay in bed, he thought about the lessons he had learned. He closed his eyes, dreaming of kites dancing in the sky, ready for whatever the winds of life would bring him.